speakers forum that helps people in becoming better speakers, because once you know how to express yourself to the world listens to you. The world listens to you, and they will give you everything that you want for yourself. And finally, I would just end with a short story. Right now, most of you are young. Right now, most of you are young. You never dream about the time when you will grow old. But I want you to picture this. Picture the time when you would be 90-year-old, lying on your deathbed, about to make an exit. Maybe your grandson is playing cricket right next to you, next to your bed, and your son comes and tells your grandchild that don't play cricket over here, the ball may hurt the granddad or the grandmother, or दादाजी को ball लग जाएगी, दादी जी को ball लग जाएगी, and the grandson replies, दादाजी के पास time ही कितना बचा है, जो उन्हें ball लग जाएगी तो कुछ हो जाएगा. It might sound funny to you, but let me tell you, you have no idea how rude grandkids can be sometimes. And have you seen those oldies, 60, 70-year-old, 80-year-old, oldies, sitting in the park and just talking to themselves? And you think that those person don't have anything productive to do in their life? They are not. They are thinking to themselves that what have they done with their life? If they only knew that the people they would, take care of so much, they would forget them when they grow old. If only they knew that, they would have lived their life differently. But now, since they have got very little time. So I want you to imagine that picture, 90-year-old about to make an exit, and there are 4 hypothetical creatures standing right next to you. The creature called your dreams, your talent, your potential, your skills, and they are all looking at you with eyes full of anger. That we came into this world for you, and only you could have given us life. But now, we must die, because you never used us. And that's one of the scariest deaths to have. Friends, do something with your dreams. Don't let it die inside you. Most of the people, they die at the age of 18, 19, 20. They are only buried at the age of 80, 90. Do something worthwhile. And so the journey so far now, since I've got the slides, and I'll just conclude it. So 4 years ago, this is my resignation letter. One crazy decision. I had no idea what am I going to do. But after 5 years, got the opportunity to speak to over 1 lakh people under the brand of Success Monks, which happens to be my company. Authored 3 books, working on the 4th one. Get the opportunity to do book signing events all over the country, and media coverage. I never imagined that I would feature in newspaper. I've framed these newspapers for my mother, so whenever she comes and gives me that look, son, why don't you get a job? And I show this to her. And whenever she says that Dr. Arora auntie's daughter got promoted or son got promoted, I just tell her that please look at this. And India Speakers Forum happens to help us and help people in improving. That's one thing. It's a not-for-profit initiative, community initiative. That's how, again, I can be touted as a social entrepreneur, that helping people in improving their interpersonal and communication skills. Because people, once they learn how to speak, their life becomes so easy. And I would leave you with a quote. If you do not decide what you want to become, the world will make you someone that you never wanted to be. Thank you so much for being such a patient audience. And I apologize to the speakers because I overshot the time limit, but thank you so much. It was a pleasure interacting with you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hello. Thank you, sir, for your motivational words. Well, our next speaker is an eminent engineer awardee, 2011 Institution of Engineers, Delhi chapter. He is FIE Fellow of Institution of Engineers, former National President of Indian Society for Training and Development, Fellow and Live Member ISTD. He is currently at the Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi. Please welcome Professor Emeritus Dr. Devendra Kumar Banwit.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon to all of you. And I think I have taught at IIT Bangkok, and there's a Swadi cup. Okay, so maybe we had the Swadi people here. I think maybe it was some continuation of that particular thing. As for me, I think after Yo-Yo Honey Singh, it is K.L. Sahgal who used to make his. I take it as a compliment. Okay, because 4 bottle vodka, you know. My surname is Ban Wet. Wet को ban करना है. Okay, so vodka is out of question for me. But I found out what that 4 bottle vodka really means. Is the Kiwadi wala who, if he buys those 4 vodkas, bottles, as compared to buying a lot of other C-class items for which he doesn't get much value. So anything that is there, the interpretation that you have, like what is beauty? Someone is talking about beauty. Beauty lies in the eye of the. And when I went to Finland in one World Bank program on innovation in ICT, I saw a grand thing there that beauty lies in the eyes of the beer holder. Okay. I think what our friend Siddharth, and you know what Siddharth stands for, you know, शर्माता नहीं है, वो बात दूसरी है. I think all Sharmas seem to have, भले वो कपिल शर्मा हो, अल्टीमेटली मुझे लगता है सब बाबा जी का ठुल्लू वाला मामला है. Our chairman, Dr. Nilesh, told me that थोड़ा serious हो जाना भैया, थोड़ा सा social entrepreneurship वगैरह पे भी बोल देना. Really, I didn't know what the topic is supposed to be till I came into this room. Okay. And for me, at this stage, it really doesn't matter what is the topic, who is the audience, because I teach TQM. For me, TQM philosophy means it is starting with the customer and ending up with the customer. तो customer कौन है भैया? जो कष्ट से मरे. Okay? So, if you as a designer would know कौन सा कष्ट है, किससे मर रहा है, actually what I have found is too much of anything is bad. Like people say that I'm very witty and humorous in all my lectures, etc. Many of my sessions are always after lunch, because I don't let people have a sound sleep. Or at least I don't let them sleep making sound. Okay. Snoring pay you can. But my wife says, what happens when you come home? But a serious mokta sa ho jata hai. I don't know about Sidhu Baba as to what would happen. Shadi shuda ho? Are you married? Well, ये लड्डू ऐसा है जिसने खाया वो पछता है, जो नहीं खाया वो भी पछता है. Okay? I think many years ago, as Shashi also told me, I find Shashi is becoming younger by the day, more beautiful by the day. And me too, I'm becoming smarter. Only thing is, I hope the camera doesn't focus on my broken tooth, which I was enjoying some apple at Marriott. I'd gone for inspection there. This business, the apple. Apple ke liye, you know what all has happened? This world came into being because of Adam and Eve and that apple. And then I think Leher or someone was talking about all the drab mathematics and the calculus. If Newton had not slept under the apple tree, if the apple had not fallen, all that calculus would not have come into being. And then one of the great guys in terms of Steve Jobs, who came to India looking for salvation, we go out, they come here. Little is or rather now it is being realized, that sun really rises from the east. Knowledge may be flowing from west to east, but wisdom flows from east to west. Our problem is, we as Indians have to be told that you are great. Satyajit Ray's movies, when they would come to the market, empty movie halls. But as soon as they got some Cannes Film Festival award or something, then people would throng to go to see that. Even great Hanuman would have to be told कि तुमने बेटे सूरज को मुंह में ले लिया, ये कर लिया, विराट रूप आता था, and then only he would then do whatever he wanted. कोई सिद्धार्थ जैसा भैया वहाँ चला गया हनुमान जी के टेम्पल में, बड़ी तपस्या की, हनुमान जी ने बोला बेटे मांगो क्या मांगना है. सिद्धार्थ ने कहा मेरी शादी नहीं हो रही है, मेरी शादी करवा दो.
Sir,
Sorry.
if you don't mind, can I request you to refrain from making any personal comments or examples?
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Instead of सिद्धार्थ, जब मेरी शादी नहीं हुई थी, मैं गया था हनुमान जी के सामने और मैंने कहा कि हनुमान जी मेरी शादी करवा दो. वो कहता बेटे मैं खुद की शादी नहीं करवा पाया तो तेरी कहाँ से करवा दूँ. Siddharth, I am sorry if I have hurt your sentiments because father नहीं, मैं तो grandfather की एज में भी हूँ, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so what I am trying to tell you is certain occasions arise, like when he talked about school going, etc. I have spent 20 years in the hostel, so we were always late to bed and late to rise. Whereas my father would tell me, bete सुबह उठो. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. तो मैंने कहा पाप, how does it matter? Late to bed, late to rise could also make you healthy, wealthy and wise. वो कहता look at that bird that catches the early worm. I said, Pop, the worm got up before the bird. बेचारी मर गई, पकड़ी गई. कहता बेटा तुम नहीं सुधरोगे. And the only way मैं कैसे सुधरा, I'm a senior Cambridge guy, way back in 61, although I don't use too much of slang, using bloody after every 3 words, but I'm also a senior Cambridge guy, having done English as my first language. So my father showed me at Howrah station these laborers that were working there, and he says, beta, तुमने ये बनना है कि कुछ और बनना है? And that was enough motivation for me to become an engineer. I have no grudge against anybody, whatever discipline you may be. Maybe I became an engineer. I loved NCC because in the 61, NCC became compulsory for us after the so-called Chinese invasion or intrusion. I went to collect my NCC forms, dress, and someone else was depositing it. So I did NCC. I was an under officer, also a SUR, CSUR, company senior under officer. I have played a lot of games. In fact, I was the center half in hockey. I played number 4 tennis. I played a lot of games. Actually, studies was part of my extracurricular activities. Because extracurricular activities you love, you enjoy. Okay? So that is what is my attitude, that whatever you do, enjoy it. Let me tell you that we teachers keep telling you enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Yet when you bunk a class, what do we teachers feel? For me, I do not even take attendance in the class doing something illegal. सर जिसको सीखना है वो आएगा. I don't mind if the guy passes my exams without attending my classes. In the IT system, we have entrepreneurship, and that's what I said. I was coordinator of the entrepreneurship program, which was an interdisciplinary program. None of us knew entrepreneurship.